Today in this video, I'm going to be transplanting this potato plant to the garden over there in a raised bed. And take off this thing. Who knows, it could be ready with potatoes, so we gotta be careful. Get our shovel, and we're gonna go outside to the garden and dig a hole of where we're gonna put this plant. So yeah, we'll put it right here. Loosen up the soil, push all the soil out like this on both sides. We can see how loose it is, so it's gonna work perfectly. So we're gonna grab it by the stem. We're gonna pull up real quick. Oh, you can see the little potatoes right there. Just grab all this dirt, push it onto the plant. This should help it keep it nice and firm into the soil so the air doesn't go in the roots and dry it all out. Now that we're done with that, we'll get the cage in the watering can. So these little stems are gonna go in between this one. And we're just gonna move them inside real quick.